Subscribers, they'll tell you how do you solve problems with Facebook on your iPhone login problems. So for fixing it, first thing you can try to close your Facebook app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings and just check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use cellular data, just open cellular data and just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second, and just turn it off. So after, you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second, and just power phone again. So just simply restore your phone. So another thing you can try to update your device. So just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also just try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write Facebook, and if you see get button, just tap on it, update button, and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.